Hey everyone, welcome to Vlogmas day 15, I think. And I did an absolute horrible job at vlogging today. It is actually about 10 o'clock p.m. and I did not vlog anything today, so I think I kind of forgot that today was a vlogging day and I didn't really have anything interesting to do anyway. Oops. But I do have a very cute outfit on right now. It was a gym night, so this is what I wore. Let me show you in the mirror so you can actually see this a little bit better. Okay, so this is my outfit. I really like how it looks. It's just like a pair of like leggings, and then I have like a little black tank top underneath, but it's this jacket that is so cute, and like I really love how it looks on me. I got it from Shein and I think it's just so cute, and it's perfect. It even has like the little thumb holes in here. But I love this color on me. I'm trying to get into wearing pink more, and I feel like this color just, I don't know, it just looks so cute and it made me so happy, and I felt cute for once going to the gym. I don't usually feel cute at all. So yeah, I did absolutely horrible at vlogging today, so I think we're just gonna have to continue this vlog into tomorrow. And I can't remember if I mentioned it or not, but I did buy a whole bunch of Nancy Drew books on eBay, and I am waiting for those to come in. So I think I might do like a little book haul review type thing as one of my Vlogmas videos, because I am starting to rebuild my Nancy Drew collection. So I might give you a really quick little sneak peek at what I have in my collection right now, but I have a whole bunch of really good books coming and I'm so excited because I got really good deals on a lot of them. I'm trying to get everything like either from thrift stores or secondhand, and not having to like actually like go and repurchase the books from like big bookstore or anything like that. So I have found really good deals on eBay, and I'm kind of obsessed right now at stocking some listings for the Nancy Drew books, because I kind of have a little bit of a particular print version that I'm trying to get, so you know, it's a little bit here or there. And I finished my Nancy Drew book. I was reading the Bungalow Mystery. This is the third book. I was gonna try to read them in order, but I don't have all of them like in order, and you don't really have to read these in order anyway. The only thing is like they might reference something like from the last mystery or whatever, but nothing that is pertinent to the storyline at all. And like I said, these are super quick reads because they are such like a small book, and it's just been like really fun and nostalgic to read these. So I finished this one, and the next one that I have in order is this one. This is number 14. This one's called The Whispering Statue, and yeah, I think I'm gonna start this one tonight. I've only got a few minutes to read, and then I'm gonna like head off to bed, but I will be starting this book tonight. I don't think I've ever read this one, so this one's like a completely new one to me. I don't think I've read this one either, but I think I remembered some of the story from it. So the next one I have is number 52, The Secret of the Forgotten City. I've never read this one. Next, we have number 54, The Strange Message in the Parchment. Again, one I've never read. Next one is number 55, Mystery of Crocodile Island. I think I might have started this one when I was younger, but I don't think I ever finished it. Then I have number 62, The Kachina Doll Mystery. Again, another one I have never read. And then the last one I have is one of the last few that they published under like this original series. I think there's a total of 175 books, and this is number 171. This one is called Intrigue at the Grand Opera. I know I've read this one before, but I can't remember anything about it, so eventually we will get to this one. So yeah, at the moment, this is my Nancy Drew book collection. It is quickly building, and I can't wait to get more of the books. Like I said, I'm going to try to kind of read them in somewhat a sequential order, but it doesn't have to be very strict at all, because like I said, it does not affect the story. But yeah, this is my current Nancy Drew book collection. And like I said, this is really kind of like a nostalgic thing for me. I enjoy reading these because this was such a big thing in my childhood. I was a big Nancy Drew fan of the books. I think I read the first one either in 5th or 6th grade, and I remember telling myself I want to read every single Nancy Drew book before I graduate high school. And I don't know why, but I never finished that challenge to myself, and I kind of want to re-spark that and redo that, I guess, challenge for me. I obviously don't have like a timeline for it anymore, but I would love to read all 175 of the Nancy Drew books. Now, of course, there's also like some other spin-off series of Nancy Drew. There's a lot of them actually, but for now, I think I'm just gonna focus on like the core 175. Of course, the hardest part is tracking down some of these books. A lot of the ones that are like these little yellow cover books, these are actually pretty easy for me to find, at least in like a big chain bookstores. I can probably find like, I think one through like the mid 50s pretty easily, but for some reason finding the like paperback ones, especially the ones that were like published in the 80s, those are so much harder for me to find. But I have ordered a few of them and I can't wait to get those. So yeah, that is my sneak peek at my book haul. Like I said, I will probably do a whole video dedicated to these, but you got a little sneak peek because there's only like 10 people that watch my vlogs anyway, so you guys will know before anyone else. So I think I'm just gonna get ready for bed. I'm gonna take all this makeup off, brush my hair out, brush my teeth, get ready, do my skincare routine, probably read for about 20 minutes, and then I need to hit the hay because it is getting late.